Greeting everyone, I'm Jacky Zungu. I'll be providing an overview of our tender proposal. Firstly, virtual learning environment and their importance will be covered. Topic of our educational teaching and learning space and the target learners will then be outlined. Furthermore, our planned design goals will be discussed. These include the different teaching approach we will use, the proposed platform of our online course and features we will use for this environment to engage learners. Lastly, our plans and around interaction in our chosen environment will be explained. Hope you will enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraav Ramsaran and I will be introducing our tender proposal to you today. So what is a virtual learning environment? For some, the word virtual conjures up an artificial world that replaces real life. But virtual learning environments neither replace classrooms or educational practices. They enhance them. Technically speaking, virtual learning environments are design spaces that resemble a classroom. Think of an ideal place of teaching and learning, one where the messy desk covered in coffee-stained assessments and the equally large pile of lesson plans all moves to your laptop. Teachers effortlessly get the same work done without knocking over their coffee in the process. Students have their assignments returned swiftly and unstained. You may be wondering why this is important. A virtual learning environment offers not only an elegantly designed space for teaching and learning, but a place where learners, teachers, and students feel at ease. With all the work and effort that goes into a physical classroom, why not make use of a virtual learning environment software to organize, share, and process it all? Education is a huge part of human existence. The COVID-19 pandemic has made learning extremely more accessible. With new but accessible technology, we aim to change learning from books and classrooms to a more fun, more interactive approach, taking e-learning to the next level and stretching the imaginations of teachers and students alike. Today, we will show you why our 3D virtual environment is the best.
AI and robotics are now being introduced in South African schools. Therefore, the topic of our virtual learning space is cloud computing, and our target learners are grade 8. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, analytics, and intelligence over the internet or the cloud to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. The reason we have chosen this topic is because there is an ever-growing need for cloud computing professionals, and we believe that learners will greatly benefit from learning this topic.
Hi, I'm Trishalan and I'll be discussing pedagogy and the selected teaching approach in our project. Pedagogy is the art of teaching and to provide rules and guidance for effective and efficient learning. The active learning approach is the chosen solution for this project. Based on the theory of constructivism, it emphasizes students to engage with reading, writing, and discussing higher order tasks, and it addresses domains of knowledge, skills, and attitude. This study shows the comparison between active and passive learning techniques. Active learners who physically engage with the coursework perform better in the control test. Being active is the tool of providing continuous interaction between the student and the body of work. To achieve active learning, the project requires a self-directed environment where the students can engage with and have access to all coursework, peer discussion forums, tasks, achievement badges, and allows progression when the tasks are completed.
I am Mohomed and I will be discussing the platforms used. Kumospace places you in a virtual space and allows you to explore that space. It uses spatial audio, meaning the closer you are to someone, the louder they sound. When you put all of this together, it helps to extensively recreate real-life social dynamics. In Kumospace, you bump into people, you scope the room, and you can float in and out of conversation. Moodle is a free and open source learning management system written in PHP. Developed on pedagogical principles, Moodle is used for blended learning, distance education, flipped classrooms, and other e-learning projects in schools, universities, workplaces, and other sectors. With customizable management features, Moodle allows educators to create private websites filled with dynamic courses that extend learning anytime, anywhere, enabling students to achieve their learning goals.
I am Prinee Moodley and I will be discussing the features of Kumospace and Moodle that we will be using to engage learners. Higher levels of engagement are reported when students readily interact and communicate with other students and teachers. Therefore, in Kumospace, their call will be picked out to customize a virtual space where students can attend lectures and consultations, complete assessments, engage in group discussions and group work, and watch educational videos on YouTube TV. Additionally, there will also be a room where students can participate in team-based games. Kumospace's linked tablets will be used to integrate the Moodle system into this virtual space. Your course will be created with various interactive course materials and aspects of gamification. This includes quizzes, assignment submissions, the use of conversation spaces, library lists, and the H5P plugin. Additionally, certificates and badges will be awarded to students based on their accomplishments in this course.
Hi, my name is Mohomed Goolam Abbas, and I was just speaking about the interaction within Kumospace. So Kumo, just like where you have to open multiple apps, example MS Teams and Zoom, to access them, Kumospace allows all these apps to be accessed at one place in one place at one time. Then a student can also access any virtual place within the environment by simply clicking on the area. And another critical feature that Kumospace has is that it can accommodate multiple teaching and learning environments at the same time without any distractions from one another. This is also known as spatial sound. And lastly, unlike Zoom or even MS Teams, Kumospace is a lot more versatile in a sense where there are different environments, including a cafe for students who want to relax, a primary classroom for teaching and learning, and also a games room for students who want to blow off some steam. Thank you so much.